Welcome to this week's MSAB Monday, the final part of the Hash Tree Builder series with Adam Furman. I've opened a case in XAMN and you can see that we're on the main overview page, which is where we're going to see our categories. We're going to see the extraction details of the device as well as data sources and persons. As we scroll down the right hand menu, you're used to all of the category filters that we can quickly apply along with the apps. But if you haven't run Hash Builder before, you will notice we have a hash watch list match, and you can see that we've got two in cat A and cat B, and if we click those, they will then come up and show us the images that have come out of those instant actionable intelligence. And what you can do is once you've clicked that, you can see in the very bottom left I now have one watch list, and I can flick to the other and I have the second. And if I was to then select one of the images in the details pane, you are also going to see a reference to that match. Now remember, you got instant actionable intelligence as you were extracting the device, so you didn't even need to review it within XAMN to know that you'd got a positive hit. But in our hash list match, you can also see that we identify it here as well. So this is a great way to quickly go in and review that data that you flagged as intelligence. And like I said during the extraction process, the beauty of this is you can do 3 devices at once, which means that whilst you're on scene or if time is of the essence, you can quickly identify positive devices that need further attention. We hope that you've enjoyed this mini series and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.